Okay, can you guys talk about this?
This is a little bird that I found on the driveway, and he's starting to hatch his little egg. And he has little tiny feet.
Little tiny feet. Yes, can you hold your hands up a little bit? Can you get him to move a tiny bit? Just touch his foot. There he goes. Okay, well, you know what? Daddy said he looked up online what we need to do, and we need to get a little blanket and put him in the blanket, okay?
And do what?
Keep him warm.
And then
We
what?
need to get some baby food for birds. No, Thomas, bring them down here. I've got something down here.
Baby food for birds.